Hello, my name is Daniel Arenas, and today in this presentation, I'm going to explain about the export logistic process. And first of all, I want to say what exporting means. And exporting means means the selling and shipping products from one country to another. This process is very important for international trade and for companies that want to reach customers in other countries. And here are the export process steps to make an successful exportation. First, before exporting, it is important to do market research. This means studying the target country to understand what products are in demand, who the competitors are, and what the prices are. We also need to check the culture and customer preferences because every country obviously is different. This step helps to avoid mistakes and to make sure that the product will sell. Next, after we know the market, the next step is making sure our product meets the regulations of the destination country. Every country has its own rules, like safety standards, labeling requirements, or packaging rules. If the product does not meet these requirements, it might be obviously stopped at the customs. So we must adapt the product to follow all the laws of that country. Then we prepare all the export documentation. This is very important part. The main documents usually include the commercial invoice, the packaging list, the export license if it's required, and the certificate of origin. Once the documentations are ready, we choose the transportation method. This can be by sea, air, road, or rail. The choice depends on the type of product, the cost, and the delivery time. We also had to arrange the packaging to protect the goods during transport. And at this stage, it's common to work with a freight forwarder who helps coordinate the shipment. And before the goods leave the country, they go through export custom clearances, and customs officers who review the documents and check that everything follows the law, everything everything is correct. I mean, and next we had the import customs and destination. When the goods arrive in the destination country, they must pass import customs. Here, the custom officers of that country check the shipment again. They make sure that product follows the rules and that all import taxes are paid. And this step is necessary before the goods can enter the local market. The delivery to the buyer. Finally, after custom clearance, the goods are delivered to the buyer. This can be directly to their warehouse, store, or the distribution center. And at this point, the export process is complete, and the buyer can sell the goods to customers in that country. And in conclusion, exporting is a process that requires obviously preparations, documentation, and compliance with all the regulations. So yeah, that's it for my part, and thank you very much for listening this export process.